What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there? Happy Friday. Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Zionix Global. I'm back just to follow up as promised. Yesterday, I made a withdrawal. And I said, once it goes through, I'll come back to show you guys that it actually did hit my wallet. So you can see that this will be my third successful withdrawal with Zionix. And I've been with them over, 50 days now, I believe. We'll go take a look, but so far so good. But that's what we're here to do today, is just show you that. And we're going to do a, fifth package? I believe we're at the fifth package. So, but before we get into that, if you haven't checked this out, you can go to www.aitradingbot.info to get started. But before we get into anything, we must speak the risk disclaimer. The information presented, including but not limited to earnings examples, income projections, or potential financial gains, for illustrative purposes only and does not guarantee future results, okay? Because I'm not a financial advisor. We can't guarantee you anything. This project could be here today, gone tomorrow. Any financial success reference is based on individual experiences and should not be interpreted as typical or promised outcomes. Your success depends on many factors. We do not guarantee any specific level of income or success, guys, okay? Participation in our program, platforms, or affiliate opportunities should be approached with realistic expectations and personal due diligence. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile and involves significant risk, so trading and investing in crypto may result in substantial loss. So make sure you only put risk capital into this platform, all right, because it could be here today and gone tomorrow. Again, no guarantees. You should never invest more than you can afford to lose, okay? So you can always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. All right, guys? Now, we got that out the way. Let's move on over here. Let me show you, where's my back office? Hang on a second. All right, so we did a withdrawal, right, yesterday. So let's look here. All right, see right here it says confirm. It was $64.99 on 10/23. Now let's take a look at the wallet. Hang on. Okay, so we're here in our Exodus wallet, and if you look right here, October 23rd, that was yesterday, right? There's $64. Here it is right here. So it actually did come through. See, it says received. I have it. Okay. Now what I've done, let me move this out the way. All right. Okay, it hit the Exodus wallet, right? Cool. Now remember I said, and I had some more funds in that wallet. So I went ahead and moved over 100. See right here. And I noticed this. They've added another wallet. So I must have missed something either on the presentation or the last one or something. Because it no longer goes up here to the Zionix wallet when you make a deposit. They have what they call a deposit wallet. So if you look here, the 100 went here. Okay. So I took the 60 something, I added the difference, and I just threw it over here, right? Because it has to be 99 minimum for that starter. So anyway, they have another wallet now. They have the Zionix wallet. This is where the earnings go from the bot. When the bot earns you, whatever it's earning you, it goes in Zionix wallet. Then when you get referrals, it goes into the referral wallet. And now there's a deposit wallet, which is cool. All right, so the deposit wallet is there. And remember, I said I wanted to add another package, right? So let's go here. Remember, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packages now. Again, I started September 3rd. So it's 51 days on that one, 49 days on this one, 41 days on this package, 34 days on that one. And that totals, let's go here real quick. So that's 544. Okay, the project here is crypto in and crypto out. You can only use crypto to get in. So we got 544 in crypto right here, okay, for the bot. And I had to pay 149 for the year for that one bot, right? So right here, my license, the starter, 149, okay? And that's up to 1% a day. Again, no guarantees, right? We talked about the no guarantees. But that's the lower end bot, right? If you go to the marketplace, you'll see there's a 199 bot, a 249 bot, a 299, a 549. Okay, and each one of those, as you can see, will give you different shares amount, percentage amounts, excuse me. So again, no guarantees, but the starter one is up to 1%. The standard is up to 1.05. The advanced is up to 1.1%. The elite is up to 1.25, and the VIP is up to 1.5 a day. Again, no guarantees, right? But if you look to the right, it shows you what's included too, those special trainings and coaching, okay? So you earn a little more with a high, if you pay a little more for your bot. So I'm right here. So the lowest to get started with a starter is 149 plus 99. So basically 100 plus 149, what's that? 249, right? To just get a bot up and running at the lowest cost. So I said I wanted to do a fifth bot, right? With my referrals. So we come to bot activation, only have one bot, right? And all you got to do is add. I don't have to buy another bot. I can just add to this existing one. It's just another package, okay? And it'll add to that 544 total that I have. So I'm going to go here to the starter. Now let's just say I wanted to do the standard, right? I would have to have 249 and I could do the standard, right? So that's pretty cool. Yeah, if I wanted to do that. But yeah, you would just go there and add that. Now, so let's go here. I'm at the starter, so we're going to click activate. Now it says, well, which wallet is where the money is? So there's the 3 wallets, and the money was in the deposit wallet, right? See right here, it says balance 100. So I have enough to go ahead and get another package because the minimum deposit is 99 for the starter. Okay, the max, there's no limit. I could come in here and actually put 1,000 in here, but it'll be at that lower rate, right? At this up to 1%. Okay, so anyway, we've got that. So we're going to take the whole 100 and we're going to put it here, and we're going to click process. Congratulations, starter pack activated successfully. It's pretty simple. And there it is. Boom. Right there. I didn't even have to refresh my page. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an even 100 there. And that starts today. And it says it's active. So in a little bit here, this one will start moving around. Okay. So, and it went pretty fast because actually I made the deposit before I started this video. And I wasn't sure if it was going to post, so I was just going to show you guys that it was pending. But in about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, it popped up in that wallet. So it's here. And pretty cool. And then the withdrawal came pretty fast as well. Even though they tell you 24 hours, it came, within an hour or 2. But again, you just want to go by, give them the time that it says. So if it says allow, before you put a ticket in and all that. If you ever have to do a withdrawal, it's a $10 minimum right here. That's number 1. But it's 3% fee. So you're going to need that to be what? $10.30 before you can withdraw. But it says here allow 24 hours, guys. And this platform is running 6 days a week. Okay. It used to be 7. It's 6 now. Okay. So you would go there, and as you can see, it was confirmed. But anyway, we got that one running. Now we come back over here. Okay, see now my bot, see it went up from 544 to 644. All right, and my goal is to get this to 1,000. Okay, so that's what I'm working on with all my profits Because see this Zionix wallet, once it reaches 99 or 100, I'm going to go in and add that one as well. Or any other rewards I end up getting. That's what I'm going to end up doing to get this to 1,000. All right. So that's where we are. And let's see if this thing is moving. It may have started already. I don't know. We can go check it. Let's see. Let's see if it's running yet. Okay, not yet. See, it says 0 profit. See this right here column says profits accumulated. So let's go through it real quick. So my first crypto package for 131 has earned in 51 days 33.03. The 174 package crypto package that I made a deposit in 49 days it's earned 41.29. The 122 has earned in 41 days 23.28. The 117 in 34 days has earned 18.18. And so now we're on the 5th package. Let me go up here. Let's try it again. Just so you can see if it did anything yet. It will soon. Okay, not yet. But that's okay. Now, let's talk about this though real quick. One thing about this project as well is different. And I showed you guys they have training, webinars on education. They're all about education first. Learn the niche. Learn the fundamentals of what you're getting into. So they've got all that, right? But wanted to bring to your attention about this. This one's different as well. Because when you park your crypto here, this one's locked for 180 days, right? For the time period, 180 days. But if you need to get it out, you can with a 30% early withdrawal penalty, okay? And I haven't seen that before with other projects, crypto projects I've gotten in the past. Normally, it's there. You can't get it out, period. So that's another thing that you can take into consideration as well. That, yeah, can I get it out? Yes, with a fee, they're going to take it out. But if you need it, you're able to do that. All right. So again, trading tools that they have here on chain. This is live blockchain tracking where you can see these actual transactions are taking place. It's going to pop up here. There you go. And see right here, you can view hash. You would be able to click there and actually see these transactions are going on, and it's real on the blockchain. Okay, real deal. So that's cool. Now, how do you get started? Real quick. First thing you're going to do is fund the account. That's number one. Go here. It's crypto in, crypto out. All right. Once it posts, put the amount here. Click continue. It's going to give you the wallet address to send it to. Once that posts, then you need to purchase your license right here. So you go to license marketplace and select the license you want. This is an annual membership license. It's a subscription once a year. So here they are, $149 up to $549, right? And you're going to show which wallet that deposit is in so that you can purchase that license, which will be your deposit wallet now that we know they've added another wallet. All right, and then you're going to activate your bot. Click here for the bot. Boom, go down here to the package, pick that package, and you're off to the races. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Just wanted to show you guys the withdrawal went through and we went ahead and added us a 5th package. All right. Again, make sure you're using risk capital before you get involved in this project or any crypto because it's all volatile. And, these things could be here today and gone tomorrow. All right. That's it. That's all. Thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. And smash the subscribe button on your way out. If you want to check this thing out, go to www.aitradingbot.info. All right, see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.